Hi, good morning. I'm Indira Shah here. Today I'll be doing, this is called as makai. Makai means muskinjola, it's corn. This I've taken sweet corn because I had only sweet corn. Okay, this dish is a Gujarati dish. We call it as makai ki cheen. Okay, cheen means gratings or makai ni chivda. Any one of the name you can call with. So what I've taken is I've taken three sweet corns, but actually you can use the other desi corn, that is heirloom variety, that tastes much better than the sweet corn. So I have taken three sweet corns and I have grated them. Here you can see them, the gratings. And now let us start with the tempering, that is mustard, haldi and hing. I have kept 2 spoons of oil, okay? And then once the mustard splutters, I'll be adding here. I have washed the curry leaves and then the coriander leaves, which is washed and cut, and the green chilli. You can just cut them into fine pieces. Now I'll be adding them. When you add these green chilies, be careful. Okay. Now I'll be adding the corn. Okay, the grated corn. You please try this. This will be very, very tasty. This is a very good item for your breakfast or evening snacks. This will be very good for the children also. For the growing children, this is very good. Corn is supposed to be very good for health. When you make it for kids, you can reduce the chili, or you need not add at all. And now you have to add milk. Here, 1 glass of milk I have taken. 1 glass is sufficient. The whole thing should immerse. The grating should immerse. Okay. Now let me add salt. The required salt. Here. This will be cooked in 10 minutes. The corn should completely absorb the milk. You can also mix 50% water and 50% milk, but I have added only milk. I love this makai ki cheen or makai ki chivda. Most of the Gujaratis, especially during this makai ki season, that is the corn season, they make this. It's a very healthy dish, in fact. But you try to do with the normal corn, that is the desi one. That tastes more tasty, in fact, and then that's good for health. Here you can see the milk is getting absorbed. This will look like the upma, in fact. See, this is almost getting done. Another 5 minutes perhaps. Once it cools down, then it becomes less soggy. Now let me put off the flame, and here I need to squeeze lime juice. Lemon, I have taken half lemon. Half lemon is sufficient. So just add the lemon juice. Keep it open for few minutes so the sogginess will come down for some time, after some time. So I'll come back to you in 5 minutes. Here the Makai Ki Cheel or Makai Ki Chivda is complete. This is ready to eat. This is very good for the children and for the teens and for everyone, in fact. Let me just tell you the process. I have taken 3 corn. The sweet corn I have taken. You can always take the nutty one, okay, the original one. Just grate them. After grating, make a tadka of green chili, mustard, hing, haldi, and then curry leaves and coriander leaves. And then add this grated makai, and then just add milk so as to immerse this. That's for the cooking. If you don't want, if you want to skip milk, if you're a vegan, then you can add water. Okay, cook this till you reach this consistency. Add salt, and then at the end you need to add lime juice. That's it. This is done. Thank you for watching this Makai Ki Cheel. Kindly subscribe my channel on YouTube. It's in the name of Indira Shah. Thank you again for watching this.